In relation to the regions where we had already done registration, specifically the hinterland regions, and in particular Region 4, like I said, we had done registration in a number of communities in Region 4. We have set up some walk-in locations which we're going to keep open for anybody within those regions to walk in and go to get registered. So for example, in Region 4, particularly in Georgetown, we have set up 2 walk-in locations, one at the Umanayana and one at the National Gymnasium. And at those 2 locations which we are going to keep open, anybody who did not have an opportunity to register is able to go in there and register at those 2 locations.
So they're already open?
Those 2 locations are already open. They were open earlier in the past week. They were basically open at the start of 2025. And I've asked the staff to keep those 2 locations open so that anybody can go in within the hours that are advertised, walk into the Umanayana, the compound of the Umanayana, or the National Gymnasium. If you live in Region 4 and you haven't had a chance to register, for whatever reason, you were out of town, you were not at home when your community was visited, or you were in another region, or you were at work and couldn't register at home, for whatever reason, if you live in Region 4, you can go to the Umanayana and you can go to the National Gymnasium during working hours on working days of the week and register at any time. We've also established at all NDC offices within Region 4, and we will be doing the same in 5 and 6 and elsewhere as we roll this out, walk-in offices too.